If you're thinking about buying Masterpiece AI, here are 12 things you need to know before making a decision. We're going to compare it with some of its competitors and dive into the features that matter most. Stick around to get the full picture before you commit. First, let's talk about pricing. Masterpiece AI offers a solid package, but it's not as flexible as other AI tools like Jasper or ChatGPT. Some competitors offer tiered pricing that might fit your needs better if you're looking for more options. With Masterpiece AI, you're locked into their structure, which can be limiting if your requirements change over time. Next thing to consider is the learning curve. Masterpiece AI isn't the easiest tool to get the hang of, especially if you're new to generative AI. You might find tools like Copy.ai or Writesonic easier to use out of the box. But if you're willing to spend some time learning, Masterpiece AI offers deep customization for advanced users. The third thing is content quality. Masterpiece AI generates solid results, but compared to other tools, it can sometimes feel a little less polished. For high-quality, refined content, you might want to look at other AI tools like Writer, which excels in creating smooth, human-like text from the start. The fourth thing to know is the speed of output. Masterpiece AI isn't the fastest out there. Tools like Jasper or Writesonic produce content quickly, which can be a game changer when you're on tight deadlines. While Masterpiece AI does the job, it can feel a little slow compared to the competition. Moving on to integrations, Masterpiece AI is a bit limited here. While it integrates with a few essential platforms, it's not as extensive as competitors like Jasper, which syncs seamlessly with Google Docs, WordPress, and more. If you're looking for wide integration with your current workflow, this could be a downside. The sixth thing is the quality of support. Masterpiece AI provides support, but it's not as quick or robust as what you get with competitors like ChatGPT or Writesonic. If you run into issues, you might have to wait a bit for a resolution. Some other AI tools offer live chat and faster response times, which can make a difference when you need help right away. Next, let's talk about versatility. Masterpiece AI can generate text for a variety of purposes, but it might not be as adaptable as other platforms. For example, tools like Jasper or Copy.ai are more versatile when it comes to different content types and can easily switch between blog posts, social media copy, and more. The eighth point is the pricing structure's flexibility. While Masterpiece AI's pricing is straightforward, you might find better value elsewhere. Jasper's flexible plans allow you to scale as needed without breaking the bank. If you're planning on using generative AI on a large scale, Masterpiece AI's model could feel restrictive. Now, the ninth thing is user feedback. While Masterpiece AI does have positive reviews, it doesn't have the same massive user base as some of its competitors, like ChatGPT. This means fewer community-driven improvements, so the software's growth could be slower compared to AI tools that are constantly updated based on widespread user feedback. The 10th thing to mention is its output customization. Masterpiece AI does allow for some degree of customization, but if you're really looking for something tailored to your needs, competitors like Jasper or Copy.ai are far more advanced in this area. You can fine-tune your outputs better with these tools, which is ideal for users with specific requirements. 11th is its AI training. Masterpiece AI uses a different model than other tools, which can sometimes lead to inconsistent outputs, especially for niche topics. ChatGPT, on the other hand, has been trained on a broader range of data, making it more reliable when handling various subjects. And lastly, let's talk about the future. Masterpiece AI does keep updating its features, but it's not moving as fast as competitors like Jasper or Writesonic, which are constantly releasing new and exciting features. If you want the latest cutting-edge tools, Masterpiece AI might not always be the first to deliver. In conclusion, while Masterpiece AI is a good option for those who need reliable generative AI, it's not without its drawbacks. If you're looking for something with more flexibility, quicker output, and better integrations, check out our recommended solution. It offers a free trial, so you can try it out for yourself and see how it stacks up.